neither you are eating nor your family is eating. Your family members are more than about, then what is the use of growing that? What is
This is a training program called Urban Organic Vegetable Growing Program. I attended a similar program in MAPSA organized by Goa Ken and the Zonal Agricultural Officer, North Goa. And I found it very useful, and I thought that this similar program should be organized in Shikali, because Shikali also is changing its demography and a lot of urban dwellings are coming up, and we are losing a lot of our greenery. So I thought the people staying in buildings, flats, bungalows could utilize this training and also replicate what has been shown in MAPSA. And then I put it in some of our groups. I discussed it with the village development committee members, and they all liked this idea and they endorsed it. And on the first day itself, I got some 50 people showing interest. So I took it back with Goa Ken and I requested him to organize a program for us in Chikalim Panchayat, and he facilitated it through the Zonal Agricultural Office, South Goa. And our Sarpanch also supported us in this endeavor. Through our secretary, we approached the Panchayat, and the Sarpanch immediately provided us the Panchayat hall and all other requirements needed to organize this program. And we are happy to say that today we have over 70 participants who have participated in the program, and I hope that they will take something good from this training session. It's a very good training session, and it teaches us how in small spaces also we can grow vegetables, and that too organic healthy vegetables for our healthy life.
ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम चालला त्याच्या बरोबर कितें सांग.
आज आमी एक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केला. झोनल एग्रीकल्चर ऑफिसांतसून एक टीम येयल्या आनी हेडीड बाय शरीफ कुर्तादो आनी तेजी टीम. सो हो प्रोग्राम जावन आसा एक किचन गार्डन आनी टॅरेस गार्डन. आमी घरांत इवन आमचे कडेन लँड देखून ना जाल्यार आमी आमकां जाय तसले वेजिटेबल कितकून रोवप, कितकून कॅर घेवप झाडाची, कितकून ते सीड्स आमी ग्रो करून हाडप. तेणी एक बरें प्रेजेंटेशन दाखयलां आनी जायतो आमचो चिखलेचे रेजिडंट्स आनी ऑल VDC मेंबर्स आज हिंगा हाजीर आसाय. सो हांव सोजमता तेणी हे पळय आमकां आज एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलां तेजो सगळ्या लोकांनी लाभ घेवपाक जायो, कित्याक हें बरें एकदम बरें तेणी आज प्रेजेंटेशन दाखयलें.
So when we grow those barrier crops, or when we provide them with some barrier, like some cloth, sari like haitari hogala, and initially by the time adana, we are down to go for planting in raised beds. So like root crops are like mudo, correct no? Mudo asta, maybe naab asta, carrot also.
This program organized today at the hall of the village panchayat of Chikali is basically a follow-up of a program which was held by us at MAPSA in collaboration with the Zonal Agriculture Office at MAPSA to promote urban organic vegetable gardening. Now this is a very interesting program which has been started wherein we have approached the Department Directorate of Agriculture to encourage people who are living in flats, in housing societies, buildings, to use their balconies, terraces to start growing. See, there are a lot of enthusiastic people who want to grow vegetables and fruits. But unfortunately, there are two problems. They don't have land, they don't have soil at hand. So they get very discouraged. And therefore, this program which is being held today It has drawn participants, nearly 70 participants from the villages of Sankwal, Alto Daboli, Chikali of course, then Sankwal, some have come all the way from Vasco. And the idea of this program is twofold. One is of course to promote organic farming, but the other aspect is, Marmugao Taluka does not have a zonal agriculture office. After we have petitioned the Directorate of Agriculture, this office now will be shortly opened in the Taluka. Now it is very important that once this office is opened also, people start taking benefit of it. And we feel that this is one group of people who can start participating in organic vegetable gardening. Now the traditional understanding of farming is people who have paddy fields, people in the villages of the hinterland of Goa, they are being cultivators for a very long time. But if you see today in the Marmugao Taluka, there are many buildings come up. And one thing, during the COVID lockdown period, people ran short of vegetables. And those who were growing, they found it very useful for them that at least some vegetables, whether it is tamari bhaji, whether it is, things like lettuce, people have been growing, pepper, chilies, broccoli. There are so many different attempts made by different people. Now, what we are hoping to, through this program is that once they get an idea, first, what is urban gardening, how simple it is. Second is we also are talking to them about pests. There are various insects that come and affect the growth of the plant. And sometimes people get discouraged, they don't know what to do. Now today's session also will cover how in a very organic and without using chemical pesticide, you can control these insects which are affecting. And the one session which is being done today is also about how do you do your potting, how do you start, And we also want to tell people through this program that you don't have to, have a lot of money, you have to buy special pots and start off. We have seen that you can start off with old containers, whether it be paint containers, whether it be old broken buckets, whatever you have, you can start off with. And most important is that you decompose your waste. See, all of our waste which we have, the wet waste, that can become good manure for the vegetable gardening. So, in this program, though it's just a 2-hour program, we have organized a small display of some samples of vegetables that are grown in pots. We are hoping that this year, 2021, being the International Year of Fruits and Vegetables, this entire effort will get a boost. And we are confident that the participants will be able to experiment and during this year, they will be able to take the expertise from the Zonal Agriculture Office. Now, one other thing I would like to mention is that we have consumer clubs which we have started in Marmugao Taluka. We are going to also encourage them, to follow the examples of St. Joseph's school primary school in Moscow, which have become prize winners in their gardening efforts, to avail of the kitchen garden scheme of the Directorate of Agriculture. An amount of 5,000 is given to schools to start off their kitchen garden program. So we are hopeful that the schools also by June, the coming academic year, they would also be able to take it off.